So what we will need for our kimchi is 1/2 cup garlic, 1 cup chives, 8 green onion, 1/4 cup of ginger, 3 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of sweet rice flour, 2 cups of hot pepper flakes, 1 cup carrots, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup fish sauce, 1 medium-sized onion, 1/4 cup of salt, and 3 pounds of napa cabbage. So now I put 1/4 cup of water into the blender and 1/4 cup of ginger, 1 medium-sized onion, 1/2 cup of garlic, and I use a little water with this one so we could easily crush the spices since I don't have the food processor. It is much easier. So now this is ready. And then our water is boiling already, so we will put the sugar and just stir it. Stir the sugar until it will dissolve in the water, and then add the sweet rice flour, and just stir this for a couple of minutes until it's translucent. So now this is ready and we have to cool it down. So now we will have to turn the cabbage over. We are doing this every 30 minutes in 4 hours. You will really know if the cabbage is ready when it is flimsy already and it doesn't break. You can add another hour if your cabbage is still not flimsy, but just keep on turning it over every 30 minutes. So once the porridge is completely cooled down, put it in the bowl and then put the spices in. And then mix it. So once it's mixed, add the fish sauce and then mix it again. Then I add the pepper flakes. You have to be very careful with this one because this is hot. And then you just have to mix it thoroughly. And then add the carrots. And then add the green onion. And add the chives. The chives is optional. You don't have to include this on your kimchi. So our cabbage is ready. It's been 4 hours already that I salted this. Cover it and leave it in a room temperature for 3 days.